Bye.
It's that perm mark on his camera.
Yeah,
Birds have you.
All he did was look up girls' dresses today with that.
Why else would you have a camera?
Get that camera out of my face!
Okay, ready?
They had so much potential.
And look what happened.
Look what happened. They're falling apart. It gets sadder every time you're together.
Okay, what is that? Skedaddle.
It's a boob.
That was my guess.
You thinking about me?
No.
Thinking about you getting the fuck away from me.
Are you thinking about me?
Oh, you didn't.
I don't remember.
Is that fall or you guys? Is that coming out with us today?
Yeah.
It's like this weird camera geek. I don't know what
He knows.
I'm the number one liker on Instagram.
Te gusta?
And you don't know what to do when the camera's on you.
What's going on over there?
Look at Hunter's socks. Dude. That's bad. That's bad.
You know how to act on camera?
I don't know what to do with my hands.
Oh,
Don't tell my mom.
I'm telling your mom. This is a live stream directly to her.
Yo, chat, what's going on? Today we're smoking a full pack of cigarettes in 10 minutes.
We're doing the full pack of cigarettes challenge.
Today we'll be smoking a pack of cigarettes in the park and drinking a 12-pack of beer. I'm really excited about today. No job, nothing to worry about.
My friends are there. I have to go.
And then Saturday night
Yeah, no, I remember. Yeah, you stood up.
I'm such a creep. I love being a creep. Hey!
Happy birthday!
I'm kind of stressed out. Where are all my friends? They're all here.
I heard them talking mad shit about you.
Bro, this is nuts.
Dude, there's nobody on this day.
Yeah, I know. You're good. Go ahead. This is a video, so fucking cheers.
Oh,
That's really good, guys.
We don't have very many photos here.
Alright, go sit on his lap.
Alright. And you insist.
Look at the happy couple.
And then look here. 1, 2, 3.
Look at the ocean last summer. Like the ocean. It's really funny that there's just like a lot of talk of just, man, this sucks. Like,
I'm trying to live right next to like flex groups. Like diversity and they go
I swear to God, they filmed the bear here.
I love when you put the camera on the orbit.
Yeah, they just stop.
And they'll go. Right.
It's a video of being a creep.
I don't know. That was a silly question. Yo, why do you keep filming on my skirt, Mark?
Weirdo. Stop recording me.
That's the same guy.
I said no.
I told you.
That's my thing. I'm trying to get into photography. I just realized I don't have the skills. Yeah.
Starting anything sucks because you realize you're bad at it, and you're like, damn, I actually have to like put in the work. Like, I have to like get better at something. I pay attention. Zoom it out. It's good every time.
Let's just get it.
Yeah. This is so embarrassing. And now it's recorded forever.
You look really nice today. YOLO!
I love being a creep.
Yeah. Girls gone wild. I'll pull them out. I'm not insecure about my body. I am.
Zoom in on it.
Yep.
This guy's shaved his chest before.
Multiple times. I do it often.
I've trimmed that.
Concussion, yeah, she's rushing. All red, wanna rush and go to bed. You interrogate that bitch like you the best. So she said she in love with a rock star. Wanna smoke my weed, so she asked me where the tops are. Turn that shit off and go get some photos. No. Coming out of the fucking kid.
Hold your neck.
God, that sucks.
Taking a lot. There we go. Wait. Okay.
Hey, Chad. Zoom out. Hey, Chad.
We gotta really extend here.
Chad, we're in Chicago.
July 15th.
July 15th. Bird party, baby.
Middle guy's hella gay. Who said that? Mod smash. Man and mod. Chad said, do a flip.
Hey, Chad.
Thanks for the $5.
Who's the non-other guy on the right?
It's not me. We're gonna use this as a career. We gotta lock in here. Come on.
No, wait, you get it.
I'm the filmer, not buddy.
Chad said put the fork down to the guy on the right. Chad! Really, Chad? Say what Chad says. Chad, get him.
Chad.
He's live streaming.
No, Chad. Yeah. Say something to Chad.
Fight till I see the sunrise. Ring toss on the clock in the party.
Chat, guy on the right is hella cute. Really?
Wait, what?
Chad, I need the toilet, so I'm gonna head out. But this creepy looking dude's gonna take control for the next little bit. His name's Kevil. He's from Russia, and it's so funny.
Uganda's calling.
Hey yo!
This is actually early. That's where he's really from.
He's actually from America.
Where are you really from?
Find out if you want.
Acting like they
Okay.
going out here.
All right.
Say to chat.
Introduce yourself.
I don't know what Twitch is.
Someone in chat said, man, she's hella awkward. Get her off the screen. Oh my, man, they hate you.
That's kind of chill.
Chat, chill. Thanks for the 5 gifted. Oh, she needs to get out of here. Oh my god. It's not me, it's chat. The South Tower's been hit.
Where's chat located at?
Oakland.
Me too. Yeah, I think there's go through that, so that's your last minute tonight already. Where are you from? Really?
I would think you guys are from, you're both from LA. You give LA vibes.
I feel like I'm not cool enough to be from California, but that's
Look at this guy. Yeah. You don't have to be that cool. You don't have to be that cool.
I like the green. I love it.
He has this height. That's myself. I will say, as soon as it stopped trying to like force life to be good, it just got better.
When all we need is boys singing like a G6 and Pink Pony Club.
I did this hold my bevy boy. Like this is talked about this rehearsal. Tonight's gonna be a good night.
Wow, that felt crisp.
That was pure.
Tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night.
I think they got their. Sometimes they take the spout out of the thing, and then you get like a heavy pour, and then when they put it on, you get like a dry pour. And you're gonna how to do it. I know. And I've got every once in a while, people like take it off. You just pour it. Sorry, bud. You feel my drink.
Oh, my ass is so wet.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
One more. Good.
Oh shit.
Yeah, Bryson wasn't ready for that.
Can I hit her?
Yeah.
Hey, oh my god.
Oh, that's awesome. That's Dylan or Justin. That was.
Oh, I still got you, bro.
Now he gets one free punch.
All right.
Passes out.
I don't want to fight you anymore. I don't want to fight you.
You want a little. That was so weak.
No, I'm not gonna fucking.
Dude, you're a pussy for not hitting Kendall right now.
Scratch each place without one run back.
I'm not even, dude. Alright, this is not looking good.
This is a confusing fucking.
Sorry, I saw lines, dude. Had to. Oh, and then there's the bonus.
Oh, I got a running back. I got a winner.
That's good.
This one has $5 on it so far.
So we're splitting
Dude,
that,
that's
right?
It's a free ticket.
Is it 500? Is that what that means?
I don't know. I haven't read the rules.
What are you talking about? Where?
Bonus $500 ticket?
No, I don't think you get anything.
Oh, no, okay.
That's the opposite.
No, scratch each of the bonus.
Football, I think.
Okay.
Water.
Ooh, got a wide receiver. Got a winner.
Dude, oh my
This
gosh.
one won
I'm doing a liquid only.
$50.
Holy shit,
We
really?
got our initial investment back.
I got $55 over here.
That's
Damn.
pisses me off so bad.
They don't go back.
Yeah, I'm
in
a
the
sore
investment.
loser.
They don't go back in the investment.
That's good.
And I'm a sore loser.
What you do that's really satisfying.
Yeah.
No.
Damn.
Well, we got our investment.
Only two of them is scratched
That's
out.
some bullshit. That's some bullshit.
Alright, what the?
Wait, you gotta. The money spread.
That's some bullshit.
Whoo!
That's awesome, though.
That's right. 55 bones right there.
So who wants to be the pussy?
I'll be the jeans, baby. You know, I keep my rods in my car like that in my trunk.
Who among us has the dip?
It's in the cooler.
The dip.
The chip.
Worms. Oh.
Yeah, we're doing chaw right now.
It's called dip, Michael. It's not called dip.
No, is something else.
Dip. See, like my
I'm
dip.
trying to eat some dip.
One of my friends said,
I'm trying to eat some dip. Y'all trying to eat some dip?
their time.
That's like a Seinfeld ass delivery.
But Rohit sent me a DM the other day on Instagram. It was a chip that looked like it was a dick, and it just said "chi." What kind of lures we got here, Paul?
Probably some crankbaits, some jerkbaits.
Those.
Yeah, literally all the
Damn.
most phallic fucking stuff.
Is that actually,
I'm-
actually what they're called?
I don't know if I don't have those two, but those are actual things.
I'm pretty big on jerkbait ranked.
See, I just can't get into jerkbait. I find the competition to be too stiff.
Get the loon.
Where's the loon?
Where you going?
Damn it.
Oh, he'll be back. We'll see him at some point. You'll get some loon clips. You can post them on LoonTube.
YouTube. You want so good to be unplugged.
Really, I have a plug-in right now.
Bro, you're what the? I thought we were getting plugged this trip.
That vending, not vending machine, the claw machine in the store. I thought that was butt plugs, but it's just shiny eggs.
Where they got shiny
Shiny eggs.
That doesn't make it hard. We're doing tricks on it. We're doing tricks on it. Oh shit, we spinning around on it. Spinning around on it.
I'm the sun. I have it towards me. You can't see it right now. Let's see. I'm using the front-facing camera.
That doesn't do anything. Oh, you turned it. You spin it around.
Yeah, I'm doing tricks on it.
Well, see what I mean? Like this hood is so weird.
You are like a knight, yeah.
It's so odd.
I get what you're saying. It's a tough like material to have that kind of hood. you turn into a pussy. So no change.
Literally, I could not wear the hoodie. I don't think. I think my neck is too long. This would make the hood like.
You are kind of a freak, yeah.
Yeah, like even this hood is like.
I think Michael was right. This is probably the best spot.
Yeah.
In front of the doll.
The doll.
To be fair.
Nah.
Could you grab that and pull it over the edge?
You want me to edge this shit?
All the way. It needs to be like over a little bit.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
So this right here is called a fishing rod.
What do you do with it?
I'm figuring that out. Little dude coming after my worm, and I just can't be having that.
Oh.
We need to get a different species. We need to get some perch. I haven't even seen a perch yet.
Look at that.
It's called a fish.
Damn.
What they do is they live in the water and they swim around.
You're like the crocodile hunter right now.
Get my worm, dude. I win this round. He's barely on that thing. Hold up. I gotta get my fingies in.
He touching the fish and shit.
On my mama, that's a fish. On all the dead homies.
On the dead homies, that's a fish.
Let's go. Bass acquired. What kind of bass was that, Paul?
Largemouth. You have a line? Black line?
Don't remember.
We'll pull it back out.
Yeah, let me just catch it again.
It was like 30 seconds.
Keep playing with his worm and shit. Damn.
What is that? I see. That's some kind of loner duck.
It's got a fish.
I have a fish.
Oh, I'm getting footage of that. Damn.
Yeah, he got a fish too.
That's cool. We got double fish over here. What do I got here?
That looks like a. It doesn't
Ooh.
look black.
It's got a line. What's that mean?
It's a largemouth.
Let's go. Why is his mouth so small then? Mark, I caught you some pussy.
Look at that.
Smaller than the last
Let's get
one.
an interview.
Get an interview.
Yeah.
So what'd you think about that catch?
What do you think about it? Talk us through what you're doing. Yeah. Look at that fucking moron. Bro thought worms spawn on hooks.
They do sometimes.
Shh.
It's like that episode of SpongeBob.
Which one?
The hook one.
Oh yeah, Hooky. That's the one I own a cell from.
Oh yeah, true. You own that episode.
I own part of that. Yeah. Anytime you've seen that episode, I own it.
They've gotten money.
decide we're gonna go swashbuckle the kayak over there.
All right.
You gotta stroke it all.
It only went to my eye.
The only place you put it was my eye.
Let's put it on your head.
Put it in just fucking.
Oh. Ah. Oh no. That was so much for you.
I rub it in. Oh no, I put it straight up.
I told you.
What have you done?
Now look in the camera and say that you love it.
I love it.
I got so much.
Ah.
Sorry.
It only got in your eye.
Yeah, the first squirt, I said not in my eye, and it only went in my eye.
In your hair.
And now, well, the second squirt went in my hair. That's like those are like the two parts that you're not supposed to put in.
You might want to jump in the lake.
Thanks.
Pussy.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm acting crazy right now. So sorry about that. Wow, the power trip I took though. That's huge.
You're next, buddy.
Oh no. I'll kill the fish.
I don't think these ones are alive anymore.
He hates me.
Oh shit. My bobber is under the water. That usually means you have a fish. For me, it seems to not mean.
You're pulling it in too fast. You gotta let him like get hold of it.
You gotta play with him.
I did something wrong.
Rent room.
I got it.
The zoom feature? Really fun.
What'd you say?
The zoom feature's really fun.
Oh yeah.
None of this is.
I really like when you look at like the sun hitting the water and it's like all sparkly.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
With that.
Oh yeah.
Guess who doesn't have a worm?
Well, you can put a word on him and snatch your chain.
God fucking damn.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take your phones.
I like my
phone. Oh wait, I need to use pop it on.
Dude, can you please not get me with my phone?
What kind of fish do you want me to catch?
Oh, wave. No, you gotta wave.
The fish.
Oh, never mind. I think you caught something.
I think I've only caught rock bass on this thing. Nothing else.
Woo!
What?
Huge. Huge news. Oh.
Get fucked, Mark.
You can go ahead and kill yourself.
It's really small, though.
I don't care.
Wait, can I see what hook you're using? Oh wait, no, you're using what I was using before. Oh, I got him in the eye. Bummer.
Oh.
Oh, see, you're so mean to the fish. You get dipped or something?
Good job!
You got a hold
yeah.
of it,
What the fuck?
I sold my worm, too.
Kill yourself.
Can I see what hook you have? Is it big or small?
I don't know. Well, I caught Michael.
That is kind of small already. I mean, you can just try a different hook, maybe.
Oh, Paul got a fish.
What do you got, Paul? Ooh, nice little bass. Rock bass.
Little bass.
Watch out, dude.
Teeny tiny fish.
That's great.
You're gonna be out here until like 2 in the morning trying to get a fish.
Yuck.
Josie or the coffee?
I don't know.
I don't even see it. You see a fish in there?
Yeah. There you go.
Nice.
Oh.
Oh, not nice.
Back. He'll come back for more. This worm's still a regular worm. You can still have it.
Oh, I see him.
Is he?
He's wanting it.
That's a
He's
teeny
tiny. I don't
tiny
want
fish,
him.
yeah.
Yeah, you're bro. You're not even worth my worm. No.
You ain't even worth my worm.
Is that the
They don't have no worms. God damn.
Yeah, that's a little guy.
You got grass though.
Yeah, the grass.
Maybe they decided to be vegetarian.
The grass.
Lucky me.